So we're Lake Dunstan Cherries. All of our Hydralada work at this stage is just pruning, because these guys come through and the gangs just go whack whack, basically walk up and just take all this offshoots off, and then we come through with the Hydraladas. So last year our boys put 380 hours on each machine. That's for our 30 hectares of cherries that we've got. Keep them updated, and it's safer for the guys because there's always new technology. The newer ones run a lot nicer and they're a lot more comfortable, and they're happy being on the newer machines as well. So yeah, it's certainly really nice. When we've got them in it's just crazy watching the Vanuatuans on these. We've got the two good guys that we've got are just mind-blowing. Just the machines just becomes part of them. The Hydraladas become part of them, and they're just up there, and it's just awesome. It's just bang, 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 and just see stuff dropping everywhere, and they just flow. Oh, awesome. Very powerful, get through everything that we need to do, so we hardly ever have to get a saw out these days when we're up doing the tops. Yeah, definitely good bit of kit. Boys really enjoy them, so dealing has been really good. No, it's communication's really good, service is really good. Yeah, it just answers any questions we've got, and yeah, it's been really good so far. Just can't fault it. And said the machines turn up on time, and you know when we need them, and the backup that you've got down here as well is awesome with the service provider. So everything's seamless. Servicing's really good. Basically, we can get serviced within a day of asking or less. So, you know, the whole thing with Hydralada has been awesome so far.